It's gonna be so fun and so vibrant. You can do so many times if you want to do one more than 3 times. I think it also looks great as well. Hi Money, how are you? I just want to make sure that I don't miss anyone here. Let me move that piece of paper down so it's easy to see. And then if you want to move into the next colors, make sure you let this set for a second. Crystal clear. Should we open it? I'm going to using calming number 2. Super fun. I've never like get tired of doing fusioning. I'm afraid of if I keep doing it. That you can do is like combinations with anything, crystal placements, or you can also doing it with anything like 3D charms and anything you would like to. All right, so I'll let it set. And I'm going to using passionate number 1. Doesn't matter whatever colors you combine them. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna do some passionates on it and let it set. You can see that it start getting from shiny to matte, and I'm gonna add it on. So otherwise, it's gonna bleeding all that the colors. So it looks like it's perfect now. Great. I think it's good. And I'm gonna using crystal clear and just make sure you have a piece of paper, but I'm gonna put it on the side so every time you're using your crystal clear brush, you blend it to create the veins. Make sure you wipe off first before wipe off the brush in, on the piece of paper before you move before you dip it back into the bottle, so then that way it's keep it away from contaminating the colors. It's avoiding all the bleedings look. See, you wash, you wipe it pretty much off, like a little bit left. So for right here, it looks cool. How everyone doing today? Great. I'm trying to really, if you want to create a cool veins, just make sure you tap.
Oh, that's no fun. Almost looked like a flower garden.
Yeah, it's so excited. We got to see some of the Glitz lover is tagging us. The press on contest is so excited. It's just so excited, everyone. It's just really cool, simple, easy. So hope everyone's like participate, because it's gonna be so much fun in the future. That if you like it so much, we can do that a lot more. And as long as you're enjoying it, and so we can continue to doing that. Get some pink on it. I didn't put too much pink, more blue, but it's good because I'm gonna do some pink flowers in here. So This one, when you work with this, it doesn't matter. It's just not gonna be identical if you're doing like 10 nails. Because each nail is gonna look different, but it's fun about that. You can place your flower in a different way, even like a butterflies. I think it's gonna be fun. Sorry, I just like have some itch on my eyes. That's why you see like, wait. Oh, I really like it. But you can add it more and create more themes on it. All right. Wipe it off. Let me see. I have my gel painting on it. On my gel painting jet black. You know what? I'm gonna use this. Is my gel painting black with precision brush. Give a little shake. It's really I think it's really cool and defined as well. Just want to make it a little bit like okay, so I'm gonna key it for 30 seconds, flash key. It's fun. You can do all entire vein, or you can do more detail, and that is looks great as well. And I'm gonna using a golden touch. Very cool, it's fun. I can't wait. We should do that one. And then we're gonna do one of this perfect pair. I just saw the tray right here. That my tray right there. Pull it out. Just for your information, if you have a questions, how you doing? Sorry, I'm just like when you open this jar, just using your thumb, press a little bit. That's how you get it open, and then have a secure lids in here and a cushion, so then you can keep your crystal. It's not gonna be moving, scratching on it. So I am going to using just a little bit of golden touch, and it's up back in stock, so we can able to check them out. What is in the fur. The furs on my brush or something. Just to stop. Okay, now I'm gonna keep it for 30 seconds. so much fun to do with this, and I'm going to use some shape from in the purse. I have the eye drop. Oh, great. Oh, good. So I'm gonna do, let's see, what should we pick? I like sunflower a lot. What should we do? Sunflower?
Some people in the chat are saying that their fusioning doesn't look like yours.
Fusioning doesn't look like me?
Yeah.
Like, what colors doesn't look like mine? Did you...
Capri said hers look like bubbles.
Give me more detail.
And they keep saying that they will never match to your fusioning skills.
Oh, this is so cool though. I just realized that it has butterfly too. Okay, I'm gonna use her. I'm doing it and I say, wait, it's had butterflies.
Mary said Fuji sunflower.
Fuji?
Is that what it is?
Fuji?
Fuji.
Okay, give me one.
Fuse. Like fusion. Like fusing flour. Like fuss?
A piece of paper. Sorry, my eyes, no. My eyes, I think it's allergy, is itch so much. I just didn't want to scratch it, so sorry, I just dropped a couple drops of my allergies. So I don't scratch all the time when I do live video. I'm back. Yay. Okay. Should I put some sunflowers on? Oh, this one is cute. It looks like matching with my fusion.
Oh, fuchsia.
No, it's fuchsia, I think.
Fuchsia flower.
No, she means fuchsia sunflower.
Fusion.
Yes, I think like just that name of the flower is fuchsia. Oh, if we butcher the word, please let us know. Probably we did.
Huh?
The name of the flower.
I really like it. It's like blending really well. The rose.
They say they want sunflowers.
You want sunflower too?
2 people want sunflowers.
You have sunflower? How you do?
A lot of sunflowers. Look, I'll take whole garden for you ladies. For sure. Look at that. And it's fun because it has a cute butterfly. Tiny one right there. Right. Want some crystal on too, or just flowers?
Yeah, flowers, money.
Now I can do a crystal right here. Look, I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking, but you tell me. You lady can tell me. I can do crystal right here. Ah.
Nah, it's too powerful. You can't just take it away from the place.
True.
I don't think it's powerful. It's
No, I
good.
don't like the...
Maybe not orange.
Yeah, not orange. I don't like the
Maybe
orange
put a
one.
blue one or green one on it.
Pink. Sorry, I missed all the. Yes, crystal. Hold on.
That's too much. Do a green. Do a green or blue. That's
I
pink.
think this one is good.
Mary said pink.
Okay, stay in one place.
Pink, I like it. I like pink though.
I
Oh,
like
but
the
this
pink.
one looks good.
Yeah, I like that one.
We can do this and then we can do pink.
I like the orange. Fancy said yellow. Money said yellow.
That one. Can you get Go grab the
Which one you want?
neon for me, please.
Which shape?
No, the mixed one.
Oh, you mean the crystal? Smaller
Yeah.
one?
Right here. Sorry. I was having all my stuff in here, but I wait for you to pick which one. Surprise me. I just have a lot over on my side right there. Sorry if I cover the whole entire screen. Aha, that's it. All right. Oh, it looks so stunning though. Even we don't do any crystals on it. If you have a class doing this, you can just leave it alone. And I think it's gonna be great. Hey Foxy, how are you? All right, so let me do some crystal placements, which I'm using condensed glue gels.